Hey smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we're taking to the skies with two high-flying contenders, the Gloral drone with 4K camera RC quadcopter on the left and the Chubury super-enduring brushless motor drone on the right. Buckle up because this comparison is going to be a wild ride. First up, let's talk cameras. The Gloral drone sports a 4K camera with a 110 degrees wide-angle lens and 90 degrees adjustability. It's like the James Cameron of drones, ready to capture your epic aerial shots in stunning detail. Reviewers have praised the Gloral drone for its top-notch image quality, making it ideal for both amateurs and professionals. Meanwhile, the Chubury drone is rocking a 2K HD camera with a 130 degrees wide-angle lens, also adjustable by 90 degrees. Think of it as the drone equivalent of your Instagram filter. Not quite as sharp as Gloral, but still making you look good from above. Reviews highlight its great camera quality and stability, making it popular for casual use and even gifting. Next, let's talk endurance. The Gloral drone gives you 46 minutes of flight time with its two batteries. That's like running a marathon, stopping for a latte, and then running another marathon. Reviewers appreciate its reliable battery life, although some note it lasts around 20 to 25 minutes per battery. But the Chubury drone says, "Hold my propeller." With 3 upgraded batteries, it boasts a whopping 84 minutes of flight time. That's enough to make you forget you even had a drone up there. Reviews confirm its long battery life, making it a hit for extended flying sessions. The Gloral drone comes packed with intelligent flight modes like GPS follow, route planning, and fly around 360 degrees. It's like having your own personal aerial choreographer. All you need is a tiny, drone-sized beret and a French accent. Reviewers find these features easy to use and highly effective for capturing complex shots. Chubury isn't slacking either. It's got Follow Me, 3D flips, and trajectory flight. This drone is basically the Tony Hawk of the skies, flipping, spinning, and following you like a dedicated fan. Users also enjoy its easy handling and fun flight modes. When it comes to design, the Gloral drone is compact, portable, and foldable. It's like the yoga master of drones, flexible, lightweight, and always ready to strike a pose. Reviewers appreciate its sturdy build and ease of use. Chubury, on the other hand, is also foldable and weighs less than 249 grams. No registration required. It's like the stealth ninja of drones, light, agile, and ready to sneak into your backpack without anyone noticing. Users find it to be made of high-quality plastic and easy to control. Now, let's talk dollars, because we all know that's what really counts. The Gloral drone will set you back $179. It's a bit of an investment, but hey, you get what you pay for, a flying camera on steroids. Reviewers feel it's worth the price for its quality and features. Chubury, however, comes in at a more wallet-friendly $149. It's like the budget-friendly buddy who still brings the party. Less expensive, but still a ton of fun. Users find it reasonably priced and suitable for gifting, especially for kids. Overall, both drones have received positive feedback from users. The Gloral drone is praised for its professional-grade imaging, reliable performance, and ease of use, making it a great choice for serious aerial photography and videography. On the other hand, the Chubury drone is lauded for its long battery life, ease of control, and suitability for beginners and casual users, making it a fantastic budget-friendly option. So there you have it, smart shoppers. The Gloral drone is your go-to for professional-grade imaging and a solid all-around performance. Meanwhile, the Chubery drone is the king of endurance, perfect for those who want to stay in the air longer without breaking the bank. Which one will you choose? The high-flying, camera-loving Gloral, or the marathon-running, budget-friendly Chubery? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, keep flying smart. Product links are in the description.